YouTubers, Beyblade Central, and I got a Beyblade Metal Master from Target, Galaxy Pegasus. Yeah, let's open it. What we got in here, folks? Stickers! What else? Oh my gosh, it's a blue freaking launcher. That is so tight. Usually you will only get this with Legend Beyblades. On to the next thing. And here's the gray looking mixed with blue tool. And the blue ripcord. Yeah. That's amazing. Now to the bay itself. Okay, here it is. First off, we got the clear face bolt. And that is not sticker. That's printed off. I didn't think it was going to be clear, but then I thought about it. It was the Legend Beyblade that wasn't clear. So, here's the energy ring. Pegasus. Amazing. And here's the blue Galaxy wheel. That is tight. It looks like they messed up on the paint, like overdid it and then let it dry. It looked like it ran down, but that's okay. Looks cool. Then we got the W105 spin track. Yeah. Amazing. Then we got the R2F performance chip. And it looks like Meteor El Drago. Yeah. So I'm put it together and I will test it out. Okay. Put it together. Now I'm gonna launch it into here. Let's see how it goes. Well, that was amazing. That is Galaxy Pegasus. Yeah! Deuces.